Awning windows are a popular choice for Glendale homeowners, offering excellent ventilation, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. These windows open outward from the bottom, allowing fresh air to flow in while keeping rain and debris out. To ensure they remain functional and visually appealing, regular maintenance is essential. Here are practical tips to help you maintain your awning windows and keep them in top condition for years to come. Inspect your windows regularly. Frequent inspections help you catch potential issues early, preventing costly repairs down the line. Check your awning windows for cracks or chips in the glass. Even small cracks can compromise the window's structural integrity. Damaged seals. Look for signs of air or water leaks around the edges. Frame deterioration. Glendale's hot climate can cause warping or cracking in some materials, especially wood. By addressing these issues promptly, you can extend the life of your windows and maintain their energy efficiency. Clean the glass and frames. Glendale's dusty environment can lead to dirt buildup on your windows. Regular cleaning not only keeps your windows looking their best but also prevents debris from damaging the glass or frame. Use gentle cleaners. A mixture of mild soap and water works well for both glass and frames. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the finish. Wipe dry. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to dry the glass and frames thoroughly to prevent streaks or water spots. Pay attention to hardware. Clean hinges, locks, and cranks to ensure smooth operation. Lubricate moving parts. Awning windows rely on cranks and hinges to open and close smoothly. Over time, these components can become stiff or noisy. To keep them operating efficiently, apply silicone spray or lubricant. Use a silicone-based lubricant on the hinges, cranks, and other moving parts. Avoid oil-based lubricants, as they can attract dirt and grime. Check for wear and tear. Replace any worn or rusted hardware to prevent operational issues. Ensure proper sealing. Well-sealed awning windows are crucial for maintaining energy efficiency in Glendale's hot climate. Check the weather stripping around your windows for signs of wear or damage. Replace damaged weather stripping. Worn-out seals can let in drafts, increasing your energy bills. Test for air leaks. On a windy day, run your hand along the edges of your window. If you feel a draft, it's time to reseal. Protect against UV damage. Glendale's abundant sunshine can cause fading or warping of window frames, particularly if they're made of wood or vinyl. To minimize UV damage, apply a UV protective coating. Many window frames come with built-in UV protection, but an additional coating can provide extra defense. Use window treatments. Curtains, blinds, or UV blocking films can reduce direct sunlight exposure. Clear debris from the exterior. Since awning windows open outward, debris such as leaves, dirt, or twigs can accumulate on the exterior. This buildup can hinder smooth operation and damage the hinges over time. Regularly clear away debris. Use a soft brush or cloth to clean around the hinges and frames. Trim nearby vegetation. Ensure plants and tree branches are kept away from your windows to reduce debris buildup. Schedule professional maintenance. While regular DIY care goes a long way, professional inspections and maintenance can ensure your awning windows remain in optimal condition. Professional skin. Identify hidden issues that may not be immediately visible. Perform detailed cleanings and repairs. Offer expert advice on prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Plan for seasonal maintenance. Glendale's climate varies between hot summers and cooler winters. Adjust your maintenance routine accordingly. Before summer, focus on ensuring proper sealing and UV protection to keep your home cool and energy efficient. Before winter, check for air leaks and lubricate moving parts to prevent stiffness during colder weather. Conclusion. Awning windows are a valuable addition to Glendale homes, offering both functionality and style. With proper maintenance, you can enjoy their benefits for many years while avoiding costly repairs. By inspecting regularly, cleaning thoroughly, and addressing issues promptly, your awning windows will remain in excellent condition. For added peace of mind, consider professional maintenance to ensure your windows are always performing at their best. Investing time and care into maintaining your awning windows is a small effort that yields significant rewards. Start implementing these tips today and enjoy beautiful, efficient windows that enhance your Glendale home.